Fight!
Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Mino. So today's video tutorial, I'm going to go over a refresher and really test, does TeknoMW3 work in December 2018? The short answer is yes, it does. So if you're familiar with the process, you can continue, do what you want to do. If you're new to the channel, new to the video, never heard of this solution before, or you want a refresher, continue watching and get ready for a lot of good times here. So basically what this solution does is it allows you to use, well, let me just show you a part of it here. So basically, if you go into Steam, right, under Tools, there's a program here called Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 Dedicated Server. So you download that, and basically with the use of additional patches, you can enable the game to play online for free with other players. Don't have to buy the game at all. It's a really cool solution. So how's that work? So let's say you already downloaded the server tools, which I've done a long time ago in the past. So I have it on my desktop here. And there's two programs or patches you got to download, basically. The first one is the TeknoMW3 Update 2.7.3.5. I'll have a link in the video description. So what you're going to do is just extract it to its own folder. Inside that folder will be an executable. So in a second here, we'll run that executable, and basically it's going to extract everything in that same folder. So let's go ahead, double click it, and it is going to begin its extraction process, basically. And once that extraction process is complete, then we'll continue with the next portion of this video tutorial. So to help save some time, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut to the end after this extraction is completed. Alright, so everything is done. We don't need this executable, so I'm going to delete that file. Select everything, say cut, go to your main MW3 game, and just right click, say paste, and just overwrite everything. Okay. Next is go to the TeknoMW3 2.8.0.4. I'll have a link in the video description. Download, you need 7-zip. So open that archive. Get all these files, left click and drag it into your MW3 and overwrite everything once it has moved over. Okay, so your game is technically updated. I don't know if this is a bug or a quirk or a failsafe, but if you want to, you can run TeknoMW3 update. Even though we copied over the latest files, for whatever reason, it thinks my computer is still on 2.8.0.3. So if you want, you can click on update, and then the game will make sure that it is totally 2.8.0.4. I do know that it does work, so for the sake of time, because the internet connection is a little bit slow when you're downloading from the server, I'm going to skip this for now. But if you want to, by all means, go ahead, click update on your computer system. So let's assume that everything is updated, you're good to go. Go ahead and run TeknoMW3 Client Launcher. It's going to look like this, basically. So here under settings, you can set your username, all this good stuff. And then literally just click on play, and then your game will start, and you're ready to have a lot of good time. So the next portion of the video tutorial, I'm going to showcase that video gameplay, show you how that works, and that's pretty much it. So with that said, let's do this. Alright, nice. So we're in the game. Everything is working fine, even though I did not run the updater. You can run the updater if you want, if you have issues. So what you want to do is go to options, make sure you're under dedicated server. This both says yes. It should say by default, but if not, now you know. Click on server list, and let's sort by number of players that we got going on today. And let's just do, I don't know, let's do Dome, Connect. Get ready for a lot of good times.
Delta team, you are clear to engage.
Sweet, we're in the game, press tab. You know, there's some people here. Clearly the game is working, and we're ready to have a lot of good times here. So that's today's video games tutorial. If you guys have any nitpicky questions, I'll comment here on the YouTube page. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.